Hello all, welcome to the day 42 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. February 14 is celebrated as International Book Giving Day and many countries in the world celebrate this day. Some people in India also started celebrating this day and donated the following number of books of various subjects to a public library. History 96 books, Science 240 books, Mathematics 336 books. These books have to be arranged in a minimum number of stacks such that each stack contains books of only one subject and the number of books on each stack is the same. Based on the above passage, answer the following questions. To get minimum number of stacks, the number of books in each stack must be the maximum possible common number that divides 96, 240 and 336. So we have to get the HCF of these three numbers. How many books can be arranged in each stack? The HCF of these three numbers 96, 240 and 336. The HCF is 2 power 4 into 3. 16 3 is a 48. So the number of books that each stack can contain is 48. Question 2. How many stacks are used to arrange all the mathematics books? So the number of stacks for math books is equal to total books, that is total math books upon books per stack, which is 336 upon 48, which gives us 7. Question 3. Determine the total number of stacks that will be used for arranging all the books. History is 96 upon 48, that is we need 2 stacks. Then science books are 240 in number upon 48, which gives us 5. So we need 5 stacks. Math, which has been calculated already, 336 upon 48, that gives 7. So we need 7 stacks for math. We have to calculate the total number of stacks. Total number of stacks is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 7, that is 14. Question number 4. If the thickness of each book of history, science and mathematics is 1.8 centimeter, 2.2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter respectively, then find the height of each stack of history, science and mathematics books. Thickness of one history book is equal to 1.8 centimeter. So total height is equal to 48 into 1.8, which is 86.4 centimeter. Thickness of one science book is 2.2 centimeter. So height is equal to 48 into 2.2, which is 105.6 centimeter. Then thickness of one math book is 2.5 centimeter. So height is equal to 48 into 2.5, which is 120 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.